We are at the tallest waterfall in Oregon, Waterfalls. We're gonna be viewing the falls, of course, and then we're gonna see how much of the hike we can do. It's 1.1 miles one way. I'm not sure how much Buddy can do, and it's a bit late, so we're just gonna see how it goes and enjoy ourselves. We've been here multiple times. It's always fun. And it always looks a bit different. They just opened it up to the public again. Before Labor Day, you had to get a ticket to go just because there's so many people who want to come here. But now you can just come whenever you want, as long as you can get parking, which is half the battle. I think this is the driest it's ever been. We've always come here and it's just been super wet. I've always been scared on these stairs, but this is pretty nice. And the falls is full of like overlooks, so you can just keep going to the different switches.
Yeah.
View it from here.
Mm-hmm.
How cold do you think that water is?
Probably 50, 40,
Okay.
45 to 50.
I might be able to get in because that's temperature. Still pretty cold. Yeah, and this part is always pretty crowded. There's always going to be people, unless you take your own trail. He's looking. Yeah. This is the best view of the Waterfalls. It's usually the most crowded, so you're lucky when you get a spot. This is the best place to view it. One of the best things about this hike is that you can see little peeps of the gorge. We're gonna walk down early because it's so sunny and I have baby with me, but we'll be back sometime. We're in the PNW, so we don't need to worry about having enough cloudy days to come back. Well, that was another fun trip to Multnomah Falls. It was cut a little short just because of the sun and the baby and stuff, but we'll definitely be back for sure. It's always a great time. Peace out. Check out more videos on my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.